What's good, YouTube? Cuss by Mike. We back. Let's get to it. Right here, I got my guy Tanner getting a mid-skin fade, 2 on top, super easy fade. I could do these all day. First, we start with our bald line right above the ear, maybe an inch above the ear. Clear all that bulk out. Come in with my Stylecraft, no guard, lever all the way open, create a 1-inch guideline. Go over that multiple times, get the hair right, then we go halfway on the lever, and then we go 3/4 of the way, and then we go closed, and that should take away that line. Sometimes if it doesn't take away that line, you go back to what you put it in with. Next, we come with our 1 guard open, going over it multiple times, 1-inch guideline, then we close it up halfway, close it up 3/4 of the way, just attacking that line. And then we close it up all the way. Of course, that's not going to get it all the way gone, but we get it good as we can with the 1 guard closed. After the 1 guard closed, we come in with the half guard all the way open. Then we do the same routine, all the way open, middle, 3/4 of the way, and then all the way closed, and that should take the guideline completely away. Next, we come in with our 1.5 guard. Since we got a 2 on top, we use the 1.5 to connect the 1 with the 2. So we start all the way open, then we close it up halfway, and then we come back all the way closed. That may or may not get it, depending on the hair texture. If it don't get it, then we come back with our 1 guard, 3/4 of the way open, and we're just cleaning it up. Just cleaning up that fade. That looks nice and blended if you ask me. Next, we come with the lineup. As normal, we start in the middle. We work our way to one side. I usually start on the side that's the highest. So we line that up, and then we go to the other side to match that. Pretty decent line here. Don't got to do too much cosmetic work. Keep it natural as possible. Just get a client a super clean lineup. And just get that line crispy. I like it. Next, we come in with the straight razor, a little dry shave. Make sure you stretch the skin and then pull away from where you're stretching. Nice smooth lines. Relaxing, ain't it? That's a crispy haircut. Hey, if you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you. I can't grow this channel without you. Cuss by Mike. Let's get it.